Hey friends, it is 2025 and today we are doing the first cash stuffing of January. Okay, hi, what's up? We are here as Mr. Skelly so kindly informed us to do cash stuffing. So we are gonna do the change, the rollover, and we're gonna get going. I'm guessing this video is gonna be pretty short, as all of my cash stuffings usually are, so let's get going. This is my change from 2024. I have not cashed in yet. Yes, I'm putting January 2025 change in there. Who cares? It's not gonna make that much of a difference. I don't even know if I really have too much change. So let's take a look here. Yeah, there's barely any. This needs to be cashed in. My husband is going to do it for me at his bank because he has a free Coinstar machine there. It's just, he hasn't gotten there yet. So this is all we're adding. Not a big deal whatsoever. I don't really care about being accurate as far as the change goes. All right, so that is done. Let's take a look at our rollover cash. I know there's not too much. So let's see, I'm gonna just kind of put everything together here and see what we have. How are you? Let me know what's been going on. Ooh, and we have some fives. That's good because we're gonna need change. So 25, 35, 45, 50, 1, 2, 3, 4. 54, not too bad. So $54 is gonna go to the side, and this will be used for savings challenges. But 5, 10, 15, 20, I'm gonna take a 20 out because I'm betting I will probably need some change. Now here's the thing, we went out last night to dinner and we stopped at the ATM on the way home because it is so cold, you guys, it's so cold. So I didn't want to have to go back out. And so I got 200 bucks out of the ATM, but I'm not exactly sure how much I even need. So we're gonna check together right now. This is my bright undated budget planner. This spiral bound version is sold out, but you can get the regular bound version on Amazon if you're interested. And we are at the start of it here, January. I think this is my favorite in the book because it's so colorful. So let's see what we have going on here. Okay, so I think I could make this work. So let's see, normally we do 150 here in the wallet. That never changes. So let's do that now. Again, I got 200 out. Let me give it a quick count. 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 40, 60, 80, 85, 90, 95, 2. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 40, 5, and 50. So 150 going into the wallet, nothing fun or exciting about that. And we're doing just 2 sinking funds. So I'm gonna need some more change, it looks like. Okay, let me get the binders out and see. 5, 10, 11, 12. Okay, yeah, we can't make change out of here. So I'm gonna have to try to make some change as I go. So we're gonna put $10 into birthdays. Let's do that first and see if we have any change in there to pull out. I still have not changed my binders. I know I said I wanted to switch back to my colorful binder. I haven't done that. I still have to make envelopes, but I have things I'm going to be working on today. It's Thursday, January 9th, and today I'm working on getting all of the member exclusive savings challenges sent out to you all. I did film the reveal video yesterday, but it actually is not going to be seen by you all till next week because this video is going to come out first and then my savings challenge stuffing. So I want to have those all sent out though by tomorrow if I can. I'm aiming for today. They're all done. They just have to be cut and mailed, so I think I should be on track for today. So yeah, those should be sent out by today or tomorrow to you, and then again the video won't air until next week. Okay, so we are adding $10 here to birthdays. So if I put in a 20, well, let's see, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, perfect. I'm gonna take out $10, put in a real 20. And so now in birthdays, we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90, 2, 3, 1, 93. My daughter's birthday is February 17th, so I do have to start thinking about her birthday party and dates for that. We're just going to have something at the house like we always do. She will be 4. And so, yeah, we usually just do family and that's it for her. So I do need to decide on that. And then my son, I'm not sure what we're going to do. I think last year we went to an indoor water park instead of having a party. I believe that's what we did. So I don't know if he's going to want to do that again or if he's going to want a party or what, but that is that. Okay. Vacay, we're putting 25 in. And so let's see, if I got 200, I put 150 in my wallet. I have 50 left. And then 35 of it went into my sinking funds. So I should have 15 left over to go towards challenges. So 1, 5, 10, 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So I'm going to put this 15 aside. This is going to go towards savings challenges. So in my budget, I have $33 for savings challenges. I'm going to subtract 15 of that because I do my savings challenges in prop money. So I'm only going to use, 18 then in prop money. I have the $15 in cash, again, because I just took a random amount out of the ATM. And then I'm going to use the rest in prop money. I hope that makes sense. So we have $25 left over to put in vacay. I wrote down what I need for vacation. I'm hoping this should be everything. So the balance that I just paid, it was due by the 6th, I think. So I paid that. Well, I don't know if the charge actually technically went through yet. It takes a while for whatever reason with the travel agency we go through. But the balance was $1,603. The dog, I'm estimating about $450 for boarding her. Parking, I'm estimating about $240. Gas, $150 to drive to the cruise port. I want to bring $500 spending money. And then I decided to book in the Bahamas, the resort for a day. So there are several resorts you can choose from. And what you do is basically you're paying to kind of have access to that resort for the day. So I booked Riu Palace in the Bahamas. I chose that one because the fee included unlimited drinks, unlimited dining, and then of course you get access to their pools and hot tubs and then their beach and whatever. So if any of you have been to Riu, I think it's pronounced R-I-U, Palace in Nassau, Bahamas, let me know what you thought. So I did book that yesterday and that was $320 total. So the total I am going to need for vacation is $32.63. Again, I think this should be everything. I'm hoping. And of course, this is not including anything my husband might give me. So far, I have mostly paid for everything. He's thrown me $50 here and there. But I'm actually okay with that because then if I end up paying for all of this, he will just pay for all of our summer trip. So either way, whether he gives me money or not, I'm actually fine with it. We will go on another vacation. I know I've told you guys before, he is obsessed with Ocean City, Maryland. He absolutely loves it. It's the nostalgia for him. He has been going there since he's a kid. So, you know, he's been there lots and lots and lots and lots of times. And he just won't give it up. Me, I could take it or leave it, to be honest, but he absolutely loves it. So we will probably end up going there in the summer. And we always do a family trip. So this cruise is just me and him for our anniversary. And we always, every year, go on a trip with our family. So, you know, whether that's going to be Maryland or something else, I don't know yet. But let's see. So we're adding 25 to this. So I'm going to put the money in, and then I'm going to add it here on my tracker. And I do have some other money put aside for this. And so I have been, as you know, I just moved recently. I have been slowly selling some things from the house that I didn't want to take here. So a couple small little pieces of furniture, just random things, baby gates that we're not using anymore, all the things. And so every time I got some money, even if it was just $5, I threw it in one of my drawers I have in my nightstand, and I've just been piling it up there. I have not counted it. I don't know how much is there, but I'm guessing maybe around 300 by now. So one of these days I'm going to take that money out, I'm going to bring it down, and we're going to count it together and be surprised. But that's a couple $100 I will be able to add into here. So that's good. Okay, so we are going to be at 380. So let's make sure we have 380 here. So 100, 150, 200, 20, 40, 60, 80, 300, 320, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 360, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 70. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 80. Perfect. So 380 again. I need 1603 as fast as possible to pay off my credit card. And then the rest is saving for spending, parking, gas, and all the things. So that is it for this video, my friends. My cash stuffings are always very short. I never really have too much to do. Let's see. We put real cash in both of these. I like to mark that because once I'm finished with all the stuffing and everything, I add up everything on the budget and see how much I have to transfer to savings. So that was real cash, and then we had $15 of cash, and so the rest will be prop. Okay, I think we are done and good to go. Thank you so much for sticking with me till the end of the video. The next video coming will be a savings challenge stuffing, and then will be the member exclusive savings challenge reveal video for January. And that is all that's on the docket so far. So I love you guys so much. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.